Jiangxi Saifu Industry Company Limited was established in 2014, and we have our brand name, Mikovs. Mikovs Compressor is a one-stop solution provider for compressed air systems based on customers' requirements. Our main products including screw air compressor, screw-type water lubrication, mobile, scroll-type, oil-free compressor, turbo compressor vacuum pump, refrigerant air dryer, desiccant air dryer air receiver tanks, and air compressor spare parts. As a pioneer in screw compressor manufacturing technology, Mikovs is devoted to excellent performance. We not only provide reliable, efficient, and robust compressed air solutions, but also can provide OEM service, ODM service, and training service. Quality is at the heart of our offering, and our brand promise is we are responsible of your compressed air. In order to bring the qualified products to the market, each step process involved in Mikovs designing, manufacturing, logistic are evaluated and implemented to ensure every product we deliver to the customer is reliable quality. Mikovs Compressor has over 55 agents all over the world. We have sales representatives who can speak English, Spanish, French, Russian, and Arabic. All sales and service engineers are training and qualified to take care of your Mikovs team, committed to offering world-class customer service quality products and on-time delivery every time. We combine the latest technology and tools with our passionate commitment to provide you with high-quality products and perfect warm services. Warmly welcome to contact us and visit us.